Hello guys, today we will discuss what is a sugarcane juice, how juice of sugarcane is extracted or produced, what are the benefits of juices of sugarcane, why the juice of sugarcane is considered as health booster or energy booster, why it provides instant energy, and it is also known as solution of summer. Why it is a solution of summer? So we will discuss all these content. So please guys, subscribe our channel to notify such type of videos. First of all, we discuss how juice is extracted or produced. As you know, you are seeing in this video the machine of juice producers. This is the machine of juice producers which produce juice of sugarcane. There is a engine set in this all cart, and also there is a machine of juice. So turbine is turning by engine, and now I will you are seeing that how juice is produced. So we will tell one by one step. You are seeing that first of all the producers stack sugar sticks of sugar cane, and you are seeing that in machine the sugar sticks of sugar cane are inserted in between two rollers, big rollers, and pressurize. You are seeing upper side screw by which these sticks of sugarcane are pressurized, and there is a release of sugar juice. As you are seeing that there is a release of juices of sugarcane. So this type the machine of sugarcane produces juices, machine produce juice of sugarcane. Several times sticks are inserted inside the machine of juice, then juice produced continuously. In juice, there may add some other contents as you are seeing, such as pudina, mint, also added, so that boosting of health may increase. So you are seeing such type the juice is produced. Now to produce more juice, another sticks may taken and juice produced continuously. Now we will tell what content juice of sugarcane have. Juice of sugarcane have potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, thiamine, riboflavin, several amino acids. A glass of sugarcane 240 ml comes with 180 calories, 30 gram of sugar, and is also high in dietary fibers. Next, what are benefits? There are lots of benefits of sugarcane, such as it works as an instant energy booster. In summer days, it work as an instant energy booster. You know, in summer days there is a deficiency of water in the body, so it provide lots of water and such type of minerals which are required in summer days to maintain body healthy. Next we will see that lots of persons that are affected by stones in kidney. Stones in kidney, the size of stones in kidney may reduce by taking more and more juice of sugarcane. By taking it, the size of stones also reduce, and burning sensation in the body also reduce. In spite of it, it is the remedy of patients which is affected by jaundice. You know, in jaundice, the cells of liver do not work properly. If you take juice of sugarcane, the cells may start to work, and there is a relief for jaundice by using juice of sugarcane. In spite of it, there are lots of benefits of juices of sugarcane, that if you drink juice of sugarcane, your body you your body is free from acne, fights acne, reduce blemishes, delay aging, keep the skin supple. So such type, there are lots of benefits of taking or drinking juice, mostly in summer days. So due to lots of benefits and lots of disease and taking body healthy, it also maintain the digestive system properly, and digestive system is gets stronger and stronger due to taking juices of sugarcane. So there are lots of uses, lots of benefits of sugarcane, due to which it is known as, the juice of sugarcane is considered as health booster or energy boost. So please so guys, subscribe our channel to get such type of health related tricks.